Welcome back to Box Canyon in Wickenburg, Arizona. Today, we're stepping out of the canyon under the warm embrace of the sun, a stark contrast to the rainy adventure we had yesterday. That was posted last week on my channel, which you can watch by clicking the link under the description. We camped on the foot of the Bradshaw Mountain last night and saw snow on the mountaintop in the morning. Yesterday, the rain painted the canyon in shades of mystery and adventure. Rainy day created a serene yet dramatic atmosphere. But today, the sun has transformed the landscape into a vibrant masterpiece. The golden rays highlight every curve and crevice of the canyon, bringing out the rich hues of the desert rock. As we make our way out of the canyon, the trail feels completely different. The Hassayampa River, which flowed steadily during the rain, still flowing and created shimmering pools of water that reflect the bright blue sky. The rain has refreshed the desert flora, and now, under the sunlight, the landscape comes alive with vibrant colors. The cacti stand tall, and delicate wildflowers add a pop of beauty to this rugged environment. It's a reminder of how the desert thrives after a storm. Out upstream, we found a nice place and had fun activity to wash our Jeep. Now, here's an interesting story that has been whispered among travelers of Box Canyon. Wickenburg owes much of its existence to the Vulture Mine, discovered in 1863 by Henry Wickenburg. The mine became Arizona's most productive gold mine, yielding over 340,000 ounces of gold and 260,000 ounces of silver during its operation. The Vulture Mine wasn't just a source of wealth. It was a hub of activity and intrigue. Vulture City, the settlement that grew around the mine, was home to over 5,000 people at its peak. It saw its share of drama, including gold robberies, hangings, and tales of lost veins of gold. Arizona's Wild West history is filled with fascinating tales of lawmen who brought order to a rugged and often lawless land. Here's one that stands out. It is one of the famous, called Jim Roberts and the Pleasant Valley War. Jim Roberts was a notable figure in Arizona's history. Originally coming to the state to work in the horse business, Roberts found himself drawn into the infamous Pleasant Valley War, a bloody feud between the Graham and Tewksbury families in the late 19th century. After members of the Graham faction stole some of his prized horses, Roberts allied with the Tewksburys and participated in several gunfights. Despite his involvement in the feud, Roberts adhered to a code of silence and never spoke about his experiences, even when offered lucrative deals to tell his story. After the war, Roberts transitioned into law enforcement, serving as a deputy sheriff in several rough mining towns, including Congress, Douglas, and Jerome. Known for his calm demeanor, he didn't drink, swear, or gamble, which set him apart from many of his contemporaries. Though he had a reputation as a gunfighter, Roberts never boasted about his exploits, earning respect as a man of integrity and quiet strength. Arizona's history is rich with such stories of lawmen and outlaws, each contributing to the state's colorful past. If you'd like to hear more, like Gunfight at Town of Tombstone, out in the West Arizona town of Yuma, Goldfield near Superstition Mountain, and Jerome on the Bradshaw Mountain, a Wickets town in the West. I had some videos of Arizona, Utah, even Idaho's rugged landscape and trails with history, and much more coming in the future from many of the states I am planning to visit. A lot of histories were written or spoken. Arizona was a rich source of many films, whether they are based on the facts or fiction. Whether the legend is true or not, Box Canyon has always been a place where history and imagination intertwine. It reminds us of the many travelers, pioneers, and perhaps even fugitives who once traversed these rugged trails, each leaving behind a trace of their story. Today's sunny weather brings a renewed energy to our journey. The warmth of the sun and the clear skies make it the perfect day to explore the canyon's beauty. Whether you're hiking, riding, or simply soaking in the views, the canyon offers a unique experience every time. As we leave Box Canyon, we're reminded of the ever-changing beauty of nature. Yesterday's rain brought a sense of mystery and renewal, while today's sunshine reveals the canyon's vibrant spirit. It's a testament to the resilience and charm of the Arizona desert. Thank you for joining us on this 2-day adventure through Box Canyon. Don't forget to the like button, comment for more suggestions, and subscribe for more explorations. Until next time, keep chasing the beauty of the great outdoors. Adding a legend like the story of Gentleman Robert and Tewksbury's brings a touch of intrigue to the narrative, making the exploration of Box Canyon all the more captivating.